Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Teachers Day is around the corner and here today in this video I have brought 8 different games idea to play with your teachers. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So in this video you are going to get the name of the game, how are you going to play it, what are the rules, is it individual game or do you need to play with the group? So everything will be explained and even the winning criteria. So now let's get started with it. First game is guess the childhood photo. Ask the teacher to bring in their childhood photo ahead of time. Then pin them up on a board. Everyone guesses which photo belonged to whom. This Teachers Day game is not only fun but also serve as a great icebreaker, sparking lot of laugh and surprise as teachers discover each other childhood self. Second game is trivia with a twist. Make a classic trivia game more engaging by including questions about school history, famous teacher or interesting fact about each other. You would also throw in some food related trivia or have special round where teacher answer questions to win sweet or savory treat. Next game is musical chair with a twist. Give this timeless game a fresh twist by incorporating food element. Each time a teacher is out, they have to answer a fun question about their favorite dish, childhood meal or guilty pleasure dessert. This adds a playful element while letting everyone learn a little more about each other. Next game is food relay race. Combine fun with food in a thrilling relay race, the most active one from our list of the Teachers Day game. Set up a course where teacher must complete food related challenge at different stations such as stacking donuts, balancing plate or eating a cupcake without using their hand. The team that complete all the station first win the race. Next game is pictionary with a theme. Create a version of pictionary with category related to school life or teaching. Teachers draw clue on a whiteboard and their team must guess the word or phrase. Add a dessert twist by having team earn a sweet treat for every correct guess. This encourages participation and make the game more rewarding. Next game is Special Teachers Day Quiz. Kick off the celebration with the best, a Teachers Day trivia all about the teacher. Make a list of some fun and quickie questions about the teacher's habit, favorite saying, etc. Like which teacher always bring a water bottle to class or who is known for using the word okay again and again. The goal of this Teachers Day activity is to create trivia that allow both student and teacher to share a few laughs. Next one is flip the pencil. Keep 10 to 12 pencil on the table. Player have to pick 2 pencil and place them on the back of the hand. He has to flip them into the air and catch them together. Then he or she has to add 2 more pencil and has to flip all the 4. After every flip, he or she has to add 2 pencil but cannot add the next 2 if player have not be able to flip the last set in 1 minute. The one who is able to flip the maximum number of pencils win. Next one is competition male versus female teacher. Ask your male teacher to fold a saree within 30 seconds, whereas female teacher have to knot a tie in 30 seconds. The best knot and best folded saree deserve to win. Next, on stage activity. Call out the name of a teacher on stage to perform an activity. Write some activities like sing a song, recite a poem, imitate as actor, etc. on different slip. Teachers will take out one slip and perform. Next one is student teacher unique ramp walk. Give your teachers a surprise by inviting them on stage for a ramp walk with students. The best one win. Next one is longest pencil flake. This game can be played with 5 to 6 teachers together. Give one sharpener and pencil to the teachers. They have to sharpen the pencil very carefully so that there should not be any breakage in the flake in 1 minute. The one with the longest pencil flake wins. Next game is hit the target. Draw a circle on the blackboard with a dot in the center as the target. Blindfold your teacher, spin him or her thrice and give a piece of chalk to draw a dot either on the dot or somewhere near it. The one who draws nearest to the target wins. Next one is fold me up. This game is especially for male staff. How are they able to fold the saree properly? Give them a nice chiffon saree. Let's see which teacher is able to fold the saree properly with the minimum time. Teacher who does it in less time is the winner of the game. So here we come to an end of the video, and these were all the 8 games that I brought for you. All I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, please hit a like button, share it with your teachers and all your friends so that even they get a chance to know some good games. And if you haven't subscribed up till now, please subscribe to my channel for such lovely, interesting and beautiful content that come up every week on my channel. So then we can meet again. Take care and bye.